Hello beautiful people. So in this video we have a question where we need to find the area of this shaded region, like this portion, all of this portion. That means we have a square. This is a square and we need to subtract this flower from the square to get the area of this region, right? Okay, so how will we proceed? So let us just examine this square first. If you look at it, if I join this, all these things, then I see that this is actually a square. And if you see these, this is a semicircle, this is another semicircle, this is a semicircle, and so we have, that means 4 semicircles. So 4 semicircles means 2 complete circles, right? So we have 2 complete circles, both are equal, and then 1 square. So if I find out the area of big square, right, and then I subtract area of 2 circles, area of 2 circles, and what? Area of square, right? Area of square, small square, right? Then I will get the required area, this shaded area. Okay, for that I can calculate area of bigger square. That is not hard because we are given it is 14 centimeter side, right? This is 14 centimeter. So now what will I do? I will first find the area of big square. Area of big square. What is area of square? Side times side, that is 196 centimeter square, right? Now what do we need to do? I need to calculate first of all the sides. Suppose you are given this is 3, right? This is 3. So, and suppose I say this is R. I take this as R. This is you can take or you can, what you can do, you can just take this R. Okay, radius of one circle. Okay, so this is radius, right? So this, if this is radius, then center to boundary, this will be equal to R. That means 2R. So the side of square is 2R, smaller square, right? And this radius of circle is R. So radius of circle is R, right? And side of square is 2R, right? Now what is our job is to calculate R first. Let us see. So if this is R, this is also R. And what is this then? This is 2R. Now you look at the whole side, complete side. This is equal to 3 plus R plus 2R plus R plus 3 is equal to what? Is equal to this 14 centimeter, right? So this is equal to 14. This implies R plus 2R is 4R plus 6 is equal to 14. This implies 4R is equal to 8 and R is equal to 2, right? If R is 2, what is area of 2 circles? Because we need to subtract area of 2 circles, right? Area of 2 circles. Area of circle is pi r square. So area of 2 circles is 2 pi r square, right? This is 2 times 3.14, or maybe we can write area of square as well first. Area of square is 2r square, that is 4r square, right? So that means now our question is required area is what? It is equal to 196 minus 2 pi r square and plus 4r square, right? You needed to add these two and subtract from 196. You will get the required area. Okay, 196 minus, what can I take common from here? I can take common. First I will substitute the value of R. What is R? R is 2, so R square is 4, right? Here R is 2, so R square is what? R square is 4. So this means 196 minus Now we can take 8 common, right? Okay, inside we have pi plus 2, right? Okay, so 196 minus 8, what is pi? Pi is 3.14 plus 2. 196 minus 8 times 5.14. Okay, now I will calculate it. You can use calculator. So I will get it 41.12, and when I subtract I get 154.88 centimeter square. So this is the required area of this shaded region, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for more such videos. You will get Maths Olympiad questions, short tricks and concept based questions as well. Thank you.